So, let's open the OneNote. So, actually, dito lang yan. Built-in, naka-built-in naman siya. So, OneNote 10. Where's that? Okay, OneNote for Windows 10. So, it will prompt you to the interface. So since we are concerned more on the writing, so let us explore first itong mga nasa tab. So, meron tayong Home, Insert, Draw, View, Help, and Class Notebook. Actually, ang purpose ng OneNote talaga is for notebook. But this can also be used by teachers for writing. So, dito tayo sa Insert. If we're going to look at the Insert, so we have table, we can insert file, print out pictures, even online videos. We can also paste link, and we can also record audio and others. Meron ding equation for math and others. Ayan. So the most important tool dito sa tab is yung draw. Okay? Sa draw, we have the select object or the type text. So dito pwede kang, if you're going to click this, pwede kang magsulat. Okay, so the type text. And then we have the lasso select. Ito, you can use this by selecting an object and then you can delete. And then we have the space. Insert or remove extra space. So you can also move the space or increase the space. So later. And then we have the writing tools. We have the eraser. This one. We have the pen, color white. And then we have another pen, which is color blue naman. And then we have the pen, light green. And we have highlighter also if you want to highlight. And we have pencil and another pen. Say for example, you don't need this particular pen. You can remove this pen. Say for example, you don't need this one. So you can delete. Okay, you can delete the pen. So para hindi ka nalilito. Or if you want to add pen, you can just click this one, add pen. Or add pen, pencil, or highlighter. It's up to you. Say for example, I want to add highlighter. Okay, I want the highlighter to be color orange. So, pwede yan. And then, add. So, you can remove some pens or pencils here. It's up to you. Then, we have insert shape. Okay, then we have ink to shape. And we have the math equations or convert, solve, and graph math equations. So basically, this part of OneNote is used for writing. So let's try. So for example, since this is color green, so halimbawa white ang gagamitin ko, so you can write here. So for example, ay bakit ganyan? So palitan natin yung color. So we can remove this, delete. Okay. So say for example, I want to use this pen. Okay, so I have to write, okay, 5x squared plus 4 equals 20. Okay, so solve this. Say for example, we have 5x and so on. So you can use this as your writing tool. Okay, so this one. So if you want to erase this one, you can use the eraser. You can erase this like this one. Pwede mong burahin siya. Or, say for example, nagsulat ka, you can use this lasso. Okay? And then delete. So you can also do that. Okay, so basically this is for writing. How about this shape? Shape naman, say for example, you need this straight line. So just click this one and you have this shape. So for example, triangle. Okay. So, what other shapes? Okay, this, usually sa math, we oftenly use, or we always use graphs. So, pwede yung Cartesian plane na yan. What else? This one. Okay. What about this ink to shape? Ink to shape is that you draw a shape and then siya na yung umaayos ng kanyang sarili. Say, for example, this is triangle. Ay, paano ba yan? Okay. So, this tab actually is for writing. Okay? So, you can use this one. Or you want to use blue pen. Okay. You can also use this to write. Usually, when you are doing lectures, you can do this. Para ka na rin nag-annotate. Okay? So, for example, you're explaining something, you can use this one. And then, you can erase all of this you want. Okay, delete. Okay? Sometimes you cannot move your blackboard. Okay, sulatan mo lang siya dito sa dulo. So, you can move. Ayan. And then, enter. Okay. Aakyat na siya. Kasi pag hindi mo to sinulatan, hindi to mag-move. So, you have to write something dito sa baba. O kaya dito. You can write here para ma-move mo siya. Okay, usually okay na yan. Dito lang sa baba. Okay? So, basically, ito lang naman ang kailangan nating malaman. Now, you want to change the color of your pad. So, dito tayo sa view. Makikita natin, meron tayong new window, immersive reader. We have zoom. Okay? Zoom in and zoom out. And we have the page width. Meron tayong page color. So, ang page color, pwede natin palitan yung color ng ating pad. So, for example, more colors. I want darker color. Darker green. Nakita natin, ano na siya, nagbago. Or I want black. Pwede naman siya. Okay. So, ano na siya, black na siya. So, pag black naman siya, mas magandang magsulat. So, let's try. Okay, say for example, ito ang white ang gagamitin natin. Ayan. Okay, so that's basically how to change our pad, okay, or page. Or if you want to insert lines, pwede naman. Bawa, you're teaching math and kailangan mo ng grid, pwede. Bawa, gusto mo mag-graph. Ayan. And you want to show this to your students, pwede naman siya. Okay, so yan ang lines. So, tanggalin na natin. And let's erase itong sinulat natin. Okay, what else? Ano pa bang pwede natin mag-add? Immersive reader. Ang immersive reader naman, ito yung, say for example, may sinulat ka and then meron nagsa-sound. Okay, that's actually the immersive reader. Wala pa kasi tayong sinulat. Say for example, the story, we could not find any text on this page. Wala pa. Sige, magsulat nga tayo. Say for example, I want to write a direction. Okay. Ayan. Sulat tayo. So, Palitan muna natin itong page color natin. Gawin na natin siyang gray. Ayan. Para makita. Okay, solve each problem. Choose the correct answer. And then fill in the corresponding answer corresponding circle. Fill in the corresponding circle on your answer sheet. Okay. Do not stay long over problems that take too much time. Solve as many as you can. Okay, so this is an example of the directions that you've used. So tingnan natin. Usually immersive readers are for those who are actually audio learners. Okay, so immersive readers. Ayan. So nakasulat na siya dyan. Tingnan natin.
Solve each problem, choose the correct answer, and then fill in the corresponding circle on your answer sheet. Do not stay long over problems that take too much time. Solve as many as you can.
Solve as many as you can. Sorry, mali. Okay. Or, pwede natin siyang palitan ng female na voice. Tingnan natin.
Can.
Okay.
Solve each problem, choose the correct answer, and then fill in the corresponding circle on your answer sheet. Do not stay long over problems that take too much time. Solve as many as you can.
Okay. Solve as many as you can pala, sorry. Okay. As many as you can. So, that's immersive reader. Okay? So, you can also change the speed. Yung ba, gusto mo mas mabilis siyang magbasa, ilagay natin dito. Try natin. And then, let's play.
Solve each problem, choose the correct answer, and then fill in the corresponding circle on your answer sheet. Do not stay long over problems that take too much time. Solve as many as you can.
Okay. So, that's an
Solve each problem.
Okay. So, that is the immersive reader. Okay? So, yan. What else? So, yan lang naman ang kailangan natin. So, pwede nyo na siyang gamitin na Blackboard ninyo when you are teaching. So, isa lang to sa mga alternative from PowerPoint. Okay? Pwede rin ikaw mag-record dito. Okay, itong audio. If you want to record, or yung math, pwede mong gamitin ang math. Okay, say for example, you want to solve a problem. Okay, write your equation in ink. Say for example, try natin. Okay. Ito ang gamitin natin, lapis. Okay, halimbawa, 8x plus 4 equals 12. What is the value of your x? Or, if you want, okay, lagay natin. close siya. And tap this one. Dito natin. Dapat makuha talaga siya. Okay, so ayan na, makikita nyo. 8x plus 4 dapat yan. Equals 12. So, try to fix this. 4. Okay. Done. Okay, into math. Ayan na siya. 8x plus 4 equals 12. And then, select the action. If we're going to graph in 2D, makikita nyo siya dyan. Makikita nyo na yung graph niya. Okay, or, if you want graph both sides in 2D, ayan. It also shows the graph. Or, solve for x. So, x is equal to 1. So, you can also generate practice quiz. So, you can also explore this. So, marami pa siyang gamit. Okay, one more example. Ano naman tayo? Quadratic naman tayo. Sulat natin. Halimbawa, x squared plus 4x plus 16 equals 20. Okay, so I highlight natin. Dapat makuha siya lahat. Okay. And then, i-mat natin. So, x squared plus 4x plus 16 equals 20. So, into math. So, ayan na siya. Napalitan na siya. X squared plus 4x plus 6 equals 20. Select your action. You want to solve for x. So, ayan ang value ng x niya. Or, if you want to graph this, ayan ang graph niya. Graph ng y sa kanan. Or, graph in 2D. So, makikita natin. So, basically, you can use OneNote to annotate or to have your lecture. So, far ito lang naman ang gagamitin natin. Isa sa mga alternative. Okay? Sa draw. So, actually, ang OneNote is for notebook talaga. Okay, I hope you learned something. You can explore this at home.